How to use Microsoft Word on Android. This tutorial shows you how to install it and create your first document from your phone. First, open the Play Store app on your Android device. From there, tap the search icon at the bottom center of the screen. After that, tap the search bar and type in Microsoft Word. At this point, tap on the official app from Microsoft Corporation. Following this, tap Install. Give it a moment while it downloads and installs on your device. From here, once installed, tap Open, then sign in with a Microsoft account or tap Sign Up if you don't already have one. At this stage, once signed in, you'll land on Word's home screen, showing recent documents and templates. Following this, tap the plus icon to start a new document, or browse the templates for something like a resume or letter. From here, tap on a blank document or a template to open it. At this stage, tap anywhere on the page to bring up your keyboard and start typing. Following this, use the formatting toolbar above your keyboard to adjust font, size, bold, or alignment as needed. From here, your document saves automatically as you type, provided you're signed into your Microsoft account. At this stage, tap the back arrow when you're done to return to your document list. That's how you use Microsoft Word on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!